Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Universal School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of Junior 1. Our today's topic is times table. Times table 5, 6, 7. It is your CW, and times table 5 will be your HW. My dear students, today is our lecture number 15 of annual term, and today's HW number will be 14. So let us start our class. My dear students, here 3 times table are written on the board: times table 5, times table 6, and times table 7. So at first we notice times table 5. My dear students, to write times table 5, you notice at first I write TO. TO means ones and tens, ones place and tens place. Okay, ones place and tens place. Here also TO. So here ones place and tens place. Here you notice here also TO. So this is ones place and this is tens place. My dear students, you must write TO and you must maintain TO. Okay, when you write times table. At first you write TO, 1 TO, 2 TO, 3 TO. Okay, in your exercise copy you give one box gap to write TO. Okay, at first you write TO, then you give one box empty. After that you write TO, then you give one box empty, then you write TO. Okay, so now in O, at the place of O you write 5 because 5 is in ones place. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Then in empty box you write multiplication sign. You notice multiplication sign, multiplication sign, multiplication sign. This is called into. Okay. Multiplication sign, multiplication sign, multiplication sign. Okay. I hope you have understood. Next you notice TO. O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9. These are ones place digit. Here you notice tens. Tens has 2 places, 0 in ones place and 1 is tens place. So in ones place you write 0 and in tens place you write 1. I hope you have understood. Then another box is empty. In that empty box you write equal sign. In each line 5 0 equal. Okay, I hope you have understood. Next, again you write TO 0 in ones place, 5 in ones place. Then the all number are ones place and tens place because it two digit number. Tens, that means it has 0 place and tens place. Suppose 20, it has 0 place and 2 place. Ones place. I hope you have understood. Now I read how to read times table. My dear student, notice 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay, my dear students, now read with me. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. I hope you have understood this times table 5. Okay, next we shall go to our times table 6. My dear students, similarly you write TO. Okay, just previous on. Okay, now here we read the times table 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54 and 6 tens are 60. My dear student, now read with me. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay, my dear student, you must memorize this. Okay, next, times table 7. We shall read now times table 7. So we write this times table 7 just like the previous one. Okay, at first you write TO at 3 times, TO, 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 and in every between TO 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 we kept one box empty. In empty box we write multiplication sign, that means into sign, and another empty box we write equal sign. Okay, now we read 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. I hope you have understood. Now read with me. 7 zeros are 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. My dear student, times table 5 will be your SW. So you must do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm by your guardians or any other person. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.